Hi, my name is Matt Holliday. I'm the auctioneer and broker, and I'm pleased to present to you 702 Brown Avenue in Belton, South Carolina. We have this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath brick ranch home that's going up for auction on February 19th at 6 p.m. Now feel free to call us at any time. We encourage you to inspect the property, bring out contractors, home inspectors, plumbers, electricians. We encourage you to take a look at the property and be prepared to bid on the 19th at 6 p.m. Now, prior to the real estate auction sale, we have a wonderful personal property auction that's being facilitated by Poinset Auction and Realty out of Travelers Rest. This will be an online auction for the personal property, but the real estate, I'm pleased to announce, will be offered live. Now, the Hester family has owned this property since back in the 1960s and has been lovingly cared for. Now, the property does need some work, some cosmetic work on the outside and some painting, it appears, but we really want you to come check this out. It's a real gem, absolutely amazing area here in Belton. Beautiful yard, lays very well. We have some very nice hardwood trees. It is a fenced-in backyard with 2 outbuildings. And I'm going to walk around here. This is an addition. The property was built in the 1960s. They have an addition. It's a sunroom, and we have some nice casement windows. And also here's a bay window. We'll go inside the house in the next video. But just wanted to walk you around the perimeter, and we'll have more videos, by the way, as time goes on. I'm testing out this new smooth video recording device, so excuse the raw footage, but I thought I would just walk around. We're going to keep it casual. Here's the Poinset Auction and Realty folks are here working very hard. Now, just a few things about the auction. The auction terms in summary, it's a 10% buyer's premium. The property sells as is, where is, no contingencies. You have 45 days to close. On auction day, you'll present a check for your closing attorney of $7,500. This is a deposit of $7,500 if you are the winning bidder. Now, a lot of people think, oh, I buy at auction, I have to have cash. Not sure what that means. You have, you're free to borrow the money. You're free to, pay in $100 bills if you like at closing. But it's real important to know that it's not contingent on financing. So if you are not able to close because you can't get financing, well, then you're going to, of course, lose your deposit. So please keep that in mind. So it's not contingent on financing. You're free to get a loan. You have 45 days to do so, and you can pick your own closing attorney. So it's a 10% buyer's premium. And what does that mean? Well, that means if you bid $100 or $100,000 and you're the winning bidder and your bid is accepted, the contract price will be $110,000. You pay all the closing costs, and it's as simple as that. Sometimes people walk away with a wonderful deal at an auction, and in worst case, they feel like they walked away with a square deal because they competitively bid and they won, and they feel like they paid market value. So either way, it's a joy to buy at auction, a great experience. We want to honor the Hester family and allow people to come back in and enjoy this home and restore it or remodel. And if you don't want to, it's really move-in ready. Mrs. Hester lived here up until recently, and she has passed. So please come out and check us out, auctionsc.com. We'll have more videos to follow. Thank you.